Inventaa LED, India's leading manufacturer and supplier of extensive range of indoor and outdoor lighting products. Pioneer and a household name in garden lights in India, Inventaa continues to etch successful milestones. Inventaa has always been the customer's choice for garden lights, home and industrial LED application. At Inventaa, our mission is to revolutionize lighting through innovative LED solutions that enhance lives, protect the planet and drive economic growth. Behind this growth story is the vision of its founder and MD, Mr. V. Ravichandran. Mr. V. Ravichandran has enabled exponential growth. Our working process is well streamlined with adherence and emphasis on quality parameters, having end-to-end manufacturing facility. Our design team works strenuously brainstorming and creating 100% original patented designs in-house with attention to class, comfort, beauty and design. Inventaa is the only company with a state-of-the-art domestic manufacturing plant with end-to-end product development. All our outdoor lighting products are waterproof, flame-proof, rust-free and unbreakable. Our products are tested and certified for electrical shock-proof. We use high-grade UV-resistant polycarbonate materials which makes our outdoor products unbreakable and color-stable. All our end products go through rigorous quality checks at each level of production, ensuring top-notch 100% quality in our sophisticated testing laboratory. Inventaa has pan-India distribution network with strong presence in southern India, having company-owned stock points at various strategic locations. Inventaa will continue to shine bright with our able, diverse, dedicated workforce. Our employees are our strength. Fashionable, attractive LED lights made in India offer the best value for your money. Inventaa's magic will continue to lighten up your homes in the days and years to come. Inventaa LED light, the true Indian brand. Inventaa LED lights, excellence through innovation.